Hi, good morning, dears. So, welcoming you to all to a healthy episode of Healthy Lifestyle Commune. Today, I am telling about a beautiful drug which is present in our kitchen. So, what is that beautiful medicine that is present in our kitchen? Yeah, it is the shallots. So, I am telling you about shallots. So, what is so much specialty about the shallots? Isn't it? You will be thinking. Yeah, shallots is a storehouse of protein, calcium, phosphorus, vitamin, mineral, zinc, iron, folic acid, glutathione, vitamin E. Yeah, vitamin E we know we will be buying from the market, isn't it? So, are you amazed that is we have a glutathione and a vitamin E which is present in our kitchen? Yeah, it's a shallots. So about the shallots, let us start from the beginning. Okay, shallot. So why I'm telling let us start from the beginning? Most of us in this winter climate will be suffering from what? Severe dandruff, severe hair loss, isn't it? So what we can do? In dandruff condition, what we can do is that we can crush, make it a paste, apply it on the scalp, and after 10 or 15 minutes, you can go for a head bath. Yeah. It is very good. Anything you are doing, please do it continuously for at least 3 or 5 days. Okay. So when you do that, you know the dandruff will be swiped away. Why? Because of its antifungal and antibacterial property, isn't it? So next what thing? Yeah, most of us will be knowing about the condition named alopecia. So what is alopecia? Small patches of hair will not be seen on the scalp. Here what we can do? Here also we will be crushing this shallots and we will be applying on that particular area, but continuously applied for 2 weeks, dears. First you will be seeing thin hairs and this thin hairs will be converted into thick hairs. Yeah, so scalp, about the head, it is over. Next what I am coming, in this winter climate most of you will be having stuffy nose, itching in your ear, itching in your nose, itching in your throat, itching in your tongue. Why? Because of the cold only, and asthma also. Yeah, for the asthma patients this climate is a big nightmare. So with shallots what we can do? So what you can do is that prepare some hot porridge. In that hot porridge, cut the shallot into small pieces and take this with that hot porridge. When you take, it will be helping you opening your stuffy nose. Then other than what you can do, crush this 2 to 3 shallots. Along with that, add a little rock candy and a little pepper and take it. It will be helping you, dears, a lot. About the asthmatic condition patient, what they can do is they can take 2 to 3 shallots with a little honey. It will be helping you. Okay, then what we can do? Yeah, most of us will be having what? You will be having deficiency in iron or folic acid. What I am telling is take the shallots in form of the soup or curries. It will be helping you a lot. Yeah, most of the kids in coming to our OP, most of the parents used to tell, doctor, whatever, they are not taking enough food. First thing what they will be telling is that. Okay, the next thing what they will be telling is that they are looking anemic, or they are having worm infestation, etc. So here what we can do? Give 2 to 3 shallots with a little jaggery. Your kid will take it. Okay. And for this worm infestation, what you can do? 2 to 3 shallots with a little rock candy. Along with that, you must include 2 to 3 garlic also. Prepare it a juice and give it to your kids. Up to 7 days night at bedtime. It will be helping them a lot. Okay, and make them sleep early to bed. Yeah, to avoid from this cold conditions and infections and all. So it is an immunoprotector, immunomodulator. Okay, then some of them will be facing what? Nose bleeding, especially in this extreme cold climate and extreme hot climate. Here in both conditions, what is happening? In both the conditions, your capillaries or blood vessels is weak. When your capillaries or blood vessels is weak, what you will be doing? You have to strengthen that. To strengthen your capillaries, what you will be doing? You will be taking this shallots. Okay, so this shallot juice, 2 to 3 shallot along with a little honey will be helping you a lot. Okay, so next main thing is that most of us will be facing, most of the patients used to come and tell me, ma'am, I am lean in size, but how come I got this cholesterol, this fatty liver, this triglyceride, LDL very high? Why? I will tell you the reason. Because of the plaque. So what is a plaque? Plaque is a fatty deposit that is present in our blood vessel. So to melten this plaque, what we will be doing? We will be including the shallots, 2 to 3 shallots, along with a little pepper. We will be taking with our diet. Okay, it will be helping you a lot It is helping you to melt your plaque. If the plaque is standing, what will be happening? If the plaque is there, you will be having stroke, you will be having paralysis, and it can block in anywhere in our body. Next one main thing is increase in BP. Yeah, most of the patients used to come and tell us they're having increased BP. Why? Because of the plaque, what happening? Your blood vessel is only this much, isn't it? Inside that, if there is a plaque, can the blood flow freely? No. This will result in a pressure variation. This can lead to increase in BP, isn't it? So definitely you must include the shallots. Then most of us will be telling, I'm not having enough hunger, I'm having indigestion. Here also, what we can do, take 2 to 3 shallot, 10 ml of shallot juice. Along with the 10 ml of shallot juice, include a little 1 pinch of rock salt and take it. It can do magic. It will work wonders. And you will be feeling bloating of the stomach, gas, stomach pain. So what you can do here also, you will be taking the shallots. Along with the shallot, a little ginger juice, okay, with a honey. You will be thinking, oh my God, with shallots, so much of thing is possible. Everything is possible, my dears. Please try it. Then please tell to me. Okay. Next, what thing we can do? Yeah, most of you will be feeling joint pain. So if you are having a little mustard oil, what you can do is that with this mustard oil, take 2 to 3 shallots, okay, and cut it into small pieces and just make it with just boil, and what you can do in your painful areas, apply this oil and give a good steam. Within days, your pain will be subsiding. Okay, so it help to relieve your joint pain. It is good for your hairs and all. Next main thing is that most of it, unexpectedly we will be facing what sometimes a scorpion bite or anything like that. Okay, so that is external poison or external venom and all. So what we will be doing now, I'm telling about snake bite and all, don't go to that side. Yeah, this is about a small insect bite or like ant bite and thing like that. Here what you can do is that, as I first stated, what you can do, cut this shallot into a small pieces and you can rub on that area. Why? Because it is having an antifungal property and it will be helping you to relieve the pain, the burning sensation on that particular area. Okay, so our shallot is having this much of, so much of effect. And finally what I'm going to tell you is, prepare a beautiful buttermilk. Okay, in this buttermilk, what we will be adding 2 to 3 shallots, along with that a little ginger, along with that what, carom seeds, fennel seeds and all. Okay, so we must grind this in a mixie jar. Then we must boil it in a sim. Okay, and take it with a little curry leaves and ginger. Dears, it is very good to increase your digestive fire, to reduce the cholesterol in your body. Okay, so shallots is having so much effects. Okay, so the shallot is having so much of benefits also. So please try all these things. Finally I forgot one main thing. Yeah, for the persons having blood sugar, what we will be doing here, we will be taking 2 to 3 shallot juice. Along with the 2 to 3 shallot juice, add a little pepper and add a little turmeric also and take it internally. It will help to stabilize your blood sugar. So some of them will be telling, what, isn't it? Most of the old patients or old grandma, grandfather in our home will be telling what, I'm not having enough sleep. So what we will be doing here, we will be cutting the shallot into small pieces, frying it in the ghee, and we will be giving to them. It helps to relieve their constipation, their bile problem, and helping them for a good sleep. Okay. Thank you, dears. So please do all these. If you have any doubt about that, you can ask in the comment section. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice and a beautiful and a wonderful day.